How to send voice messages on Discord on PC. First thing you should know that it is actually impossible to send the voice message directly from the Discord app. Well, the voice message feature is only available on mobile device. But if you really want to send the voice message, then there is an alternative way to do it. First thing first, head over to menu. In the search bar, search for sound recorder and then move into this app. Once the sound recorder is opened, you need to click on this record button in order to record your voice. Once you have clicked on it, you need to start to record the voice that you want to send. Once it's done, click on this pause button. Well, the recording has been done. Now click on this recording and then click on Show in Folder. Well, the recording has been saved into your folder. Now open the application Discord. Wait for a while for it to load. Move into the inbox of the person that you want to send the voice recording. Once you're in here, click on this plus icon and then click on Upload a file. Now you have to select the file of your recording and then click on Open. And there you go, your voice recording has been sent to this person. In this way, you will be able to send as many voice messages as you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can send voice messages on Discord on PC. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.